Uh, 44 degrees and 2 weeks. Let's see if the damn thing will start. First, I have a solar pod battery tender that I use, so I always take that off. I'll put them right there. There you go. Leaves. That's the only thing about being outside. It's the damn leaves. I had a car cover at one point, but after I lit the battery, I left the lights on, and drained the battery. I had to get another one. I decided, screw the cover. It's a makeup paint job anyway, so it's not like, you know. So anyway, makeup paint job outside. That's the solar charger right there. That definitely helps, I think. Let's see what happens. Bit by Bessel, gotta have it. Look at it for a little bit. Lights, camera, action. Just like that. Love it. Claudine on the prowl. We have errands to run today, and we're gonna run errands.